Everyone, welcome back to this brand new video. I haven't done a video in a while, simply because I've been really busy with a lot of things, but I'm finally back on the channel and ready to give you guys some amazing videos, some amazing strategies that I've been discovering in the past few months that I've been inactive. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. So on this specific strategy, it's a combination of the Nadaraya Watsonc indicator by Lux Algo and the BSVP indicator. So number one, it's actually quite simple. The first thing you got to do, you've got to make sure that the BSVP is red or green, and it is above. Make sure that on your chart you see what's this? It's above the 50. So the 50s should be ideally somewhere here. As you can see, the 50 is here. Yeah, somewhere there. So make sure that it is above the 50 before you take a sell trade, and you want to make sure that it is above negative 50 before you take a buy trade. Before you take a buy trade. So in short, I'm gonna draw some lines just to give you guys guidance. So this line over here, let me just draw it. This one and this one right here. So to take a buy, price needs to be below this, and it needs to be, and the color needs to be red. To take a sell, price needs to be above this, and it needs to be green. So in combination with the Lux Algo, you need to wait for the Lux Algo to break out of the band, and you need to get a signal, right? For example, let's say if you got a sell signal here, where would you put your stop loss? It is obviously above this high, above the previous high. All right, always put it above the previous high, and you want to target the previous low. All right, and now you need to be very realistic with your profits, because I mean, I wouldn't exactly say you need to hold it to the very end of this small trend, because it's very unrealistic. We have a very clear support level here, and price could have easily turned around there, and you would have lost some profit. So I think being realistic is actually more important than striving for long or huge risk to reward ratios. So yeah, now we've got that, and you've got your, let's say, yeah, you've got your stop loss over there, and then yeah, that was a good trade. You can see that a trade was given here, but one thing you notice is it was not below 50, and it did not break out of the band. I noticed that a trade was given here, it broke out of the band right here, and it broke out of the band, and it was below our minus 50 line. So that was a good trade to take. As you can see, what else? Let me see. Well, there were no trades after that, but you can see exactly how it works. Pretty much go to the past for you. I'm gonna try extend this, give you more examples. Yeah, there we go. So you can see that this broke out of this line very clearly. Broke out of this line, broke out of the Watsonc indicator, gave us a sell signal. That was a clear sign to take a sell, and and yeah, and just target. I would say target this level over here. I would have said target that level, because this is a resistant level right here. The whole I think when it comes to management with this strategy, it's about being realistic about profit targets and not expecting too much, especially when you're trading counter trend. So yeah, you just want to make sure of that. Cool. So yeah, that was a good trade to take. As you can see, let's see. Okay, cool. So those are the examples I've given you. I hope this makes sense to you. Yeah, man, I hope this makes sense to you. Try it out. This is profitable, as you can see. As long as you follow your risk management, follow the rules, you should be fine. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like, and I'll see you in my next video.